welcome back to the channel The Student's Diary. So today we have another new topic to discuss. Our topic of discussion is auxiliaries. So what are the auxiliaries? What are the types of auxiliaries we will study in this session? So before that, if you are a new viewer to the channel, please subscribe our channel and encourage us, like it and share with your friends. So come on, let us start. So auxiliaries, we have two kinds of auxiliaries. They are principal auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Before that, let us discuss how these auxiliaries are used. What is the function of the auxiliaries? So, an auxiliary is used in the sentence, sometimes as a main verb in the sentence, that is called the principal auxiliaries. Clear? Then in other times it is used in the sentence as a helping verb, that is called the modal auxiliaries. So they are to be assisted with some other main verbs in the sentence, and they denote what? The tense of the sentence. They make out the frame of the tense of the sentence. So auxiliaries are used in two ways. First of all, it is used as a principal auxiliaries, or in one way it is used as principal auxiliaries, that is called what? The main verb in the sentence. For example, say, okay, so we have now be verbs, which are the am, is, are, do, does, did, and have, has, had. So these are the principal auxiliaries. Why are they called principal? Principal means the main verbs. So they can stand independently. They can be used independently in a sentence. Clear? Then comes, they can change their form according to the person and a number in the subject. If the subject changes, if the subject of the sentence is a plural, then it takes plural verb. If the subject of the sentence is a plural number, then it takes plural verb. So it can change, principal verb can change according to the subject used in the sentence, because it is principal auxiliaries. That means it is the main verb. It can stand independently, therefore it can be used independently in the sentence. For example, be said that I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. When we say I am a student, here am, what is that? It is the principal auxiliaries. So now it is stating, it is expressing the state of being of myself, what I am. It is expressing the state of being. I am a student. Therefore here am is working as the principal verb, as the main verb, as the independent verb in the sentence. So if we change the subject, for example, we write here we, because we have studied with the change of the subject, respectively the principal verb also changes, because we have studied the subject and verb agreement. A singular subject takes a singular verb, whereas a plural subject takes plural verb. Now the subject became plural, we. Therefore, in order to form a correct sentence, we need to change the verb as well. So am is a singular verb. Therefore, we cannot use am with we. Therefore, we have to use we are a student. So we are students. Now clear? So now it is qualifying the second rule. It changes their form according to the person and the number in the subject. So that is called a principal auxiliary, because they are used independently in the sentence. Now let us turn to modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? They are used in the sentence as a helping verb of a verb. It is used as a helping verb in a sentence. It is modal auxiliaries are also called as helping verbs. Also auxiliaries are used, what is that? In order to find out the tense in a sentence. For example, if we say that I have gone. When we say I have gone, here have is followed with another verb called gone. Here it is gone is the main verb and it is assisted with have. When we get third form of the verb followed by an helping verb have. followed by helping half. That is called, it is a present perfect tense. And here have is used as helping verb in this sentence. And another rule is that we cannot use an infinitive to with modal auxiliaries. We cannot use infinitive to with modal auxiliaries, whereas we can use infinitive to with the principal auxiliaries. Thus we say that I want to be a doctor. To के साथ be के साथ to before be to. So thus we cannot say I want to build by I want to put, I want to shop, I want to shoot, I want to can, I want to use to. So we cannot use an infinitive with the modal auxiliaries, whereas we can use an infinitive with the principal auxiliaries. So thus we ended up this session. And if you have any doubt, please comment to me and I will try to solve out your problems. So in the next video, let us learn the proper use of will, could, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, ought, used and need to. And let us also learn the uses in various sentences, the various rules regarding this. So up to that, keep smiling, have a good day, watch every day. Thank you.